First up to face Nick and Dylan today is nervous 29-year-old Dubliner and bank business manager Dee Casey.
Cooking for the judges is going to be extremely daunting. They expect so much, you know, their levels are so high. I actually feel a little bit sick about what I'm about to do. I've done some tough things. I've had 2 children. I don't think I was as nervous going into labour as I am today.
Hello.
Hi, Dylan.
Hi.
How are you?
Welcome to MasterChef.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Dee Casey.
All right, Dee. You got 45 minutes to cook.
Yeah.
Then you get an additional 10 minutes to clean down, plate your dish, and then present it up here. Okay?
Yeah.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Dee hopes to put a modern twist on an old favourite and is making a corned beef and cabbage dish. But will it have the finesse required?
Is this an original dish, or is this something that you've read up on? Or?
No, original. Out of my head.
Really?
Yeah.
And what inspired you?
I really love old-fashioned kind of cooking, corned beef. Anytime I say to people corned beef, they go, corned beef? You know, and I rang a butcher's and he said, I can't give away corned beef. I'm trying to, I suppose, bring it back and just let people know that it actually can be refined and it actually can taste really, really good.
Meanwhile, on his way into the kitchen is a familiar face from Series 1, Mark Messett from Wicklow, who dramatically did a costume change mid-cooking last year.
On the left.
5 more minutes.
Time to get changed.
Dramatics didn't work for Mark last year as he ended up overworking his lobster dish with too many ingredients and complex techniques. This time around, however, he aims to keep it simple.
I'm simplifying and not overcomplicating, not putting too much emphasis on trying to do too many things, but just do a few things and get it perfect. Deja vu, gentlemen.
Hi, Mark.
Hi, Mark. We were saying we recognise that face.
I'm not in costume this year. I decided I'd earned the right this year to wear it.
Good luck, Mark.
Thank you, gents.
Meanwhile, on the other side of the kitchen, things aren't going to plan. Even though Dee has had 55 minutes to cook, she has waited till the very last minute to cook her quail's egg and is now rapidly running out of time.
Okay, Dee. How long more? You run out of time.
Literally the quail's egg. I can't get the skin off. I just leave it.
Finish it. Finish it.
Finish
Finish it.
It's after breaking.
Can you peel the other one in 10 seconds? Is it cooked?
Should be.
Come on, Dee. Steady.
Sorry.
Go.
Dee has made a corned beef hash with a medley of cabbage, potato croquette, horseradish and parsley cream sauce, and a quail's egg.
Okay, Dee, are we happy?
Yeah. The egg could have been a little bit runnier.
I think it's really good.
Okay.
It's really good.
Okay.
The hash is really tasty. I love the mustard. We've given it a lot of thought. We've got a good grasp of flavour. It's a definite yes for me.
Thank you.
Dee, do you think you deserve to wear that apron?
No, I like a MasterChef.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you know what? You deserve one. It's excellent.
Thank you.
Great place of food. It's clean. The salad works. It's beautiful.
Thank you so much.
The quail egg was worth it.
That's it. Yeah, I thought so.
So I would burn that one
Okay.
and work.
Thank you so much.
Well done.
Thank you. I know it's going to be hard, but I'm prepared and I'm passionate and I don't give up.
Back in the kitchen, Mark's idea of a simple dish doesn't seem to be convincing the judges.
Right, we've got lamb, herb crust, sweetbreads, fondant potato. All of this sounds fairly relevant. Then we have asparagus, and I'm thinking, stop.
And then blueberries.
So I'm just a little bit concerned.
Then again, he might really just like impress us again. He
What,
might
blueberries,
impress...
Nick?
You don't know, it might actually work. Have we ever had blueberries with lamb? No, I haven't.
So do you trust?
Do I trust his instinct to think that it works to get the flavour? I have no idea.
You just answered that one. I guarantee you this is labour intensive.
What does that tell you about his mindset?
We're not going to change him.
After last year, when he didn't get through, it kind of knocked him for a good while, and he was determined he wasn't going to come back again. But as the time went on, then the spark kicked in again, and he said he was going to try again for it.
Mark, will you please present your dish?
Mark has served rack of lamb with caramelised sweetbreads, fondant potato, basket of summer vegetables with a port and blueberry reduction.
Tell me, are you happy?
I think the positioning of the final piece, I think the asparagus should be more in that area there.
So it's just the presentation you're worried about?
Yeah.
What's lacking is flavour. There really is no flavour. It's extraordinary. It's a shame. Fondant potato is just bland. It's a potato. The puree is really lacking seasoning. So, thank you again for coming in, but it's a no from me.
Okay.
Raw. Completely raw. The sweetbread is raw as well. It's not cooked enough. Like, I can't eat that. That you die from that. That's dangerous. Mark, as much as I'd love to get behind you and send you on the journey, it's a no, mate. Sorry, Mark.
Hey, Dad, how'd you do? No, not too sure.
Not did you?
The asparagus was underdone. I thought it was al dente. The sweetbreads weren't caramelised enough, which was unfortunate, I thought. It wasn't my time this year.
I feel a little bad. We spent all 12 months practicing cooking.
I'm sure you didn't spend 12 months tasting it.
And things didn't pick up from there. The use of a smoking gun to smoke his mackerel didn't help Peter Toole to get a coveted apron today.
For me personally, it's more design over substance. I think you've tried too hard on such a simplistic dish.
And after a close shave with a vegetarian ramen, 23-year-old Katie Mulvaney went home without an apron.
Yeah, I understand it's a no. I give myself a no for that dish. I understand that.
There was another close shave with a vegetable grater.
Steady, careful, slow.
No.
Please, just take it easy.
But even after a helping hand from Dylan, Aileen Carville's red mullet in vine leaves failed to impress.
Oh. Fish is not cooked.